Okay, how's everybody doing today? Uncle Dave with DC's Adventures. We got a quick review here on some products that I use regularly. I've got the Anker solar charger here and a Poweradd battery pack with solar panel. Whoa, Nelly. Phone call. As soon as I start a video, it always happens. Anyways, so I spent 31 days in the canvas tent. I charged my iPad 2 on the Anker exclusively for 31 days, recording videos every day, and I plugged my phone in there a couple times and charged my phone on it, but in general I used the Poweradd. I was trying to use the Poweradd so I could kind of get an idea for it, get an idea for what it does. And what it does is it's a 10,000, I think it's a milliamp hour is what they call it, battery pack, and has a solar panel on it that they say is for emergency use. It takes a long time to charge this battery up with the solar panel on it, but you also got to remember that this battery pack is equivalent to about 4 or 5 of the batteries that's in your cell phone. So it's pretty heavy duty battery pack in there too that little panel's trying to charge up, but it's charging right now. I have natural light here that I'm using. I went by the window to do this video, and it's charging. Anytime it has light, it will be charging. When you plug something into it, you push the little orange button and it'll come on and it'll tell you how much battery you have left, but when it's charging it doesn't do that, which kind of stinks. That's a feature that kind of stinks about it. But it's a good battery pack. It worked good. It charges the phone very quickly actually. It has a cell phone port and a tablet port, and when you hook it into your cell phone into the cell phone port, I've found that it charges my cell phone in a couple hours. And the Anker will charge that. It takes a while because it is a big battery pack, but in a couple days of direct sunlight, the Anker will charge the Poweradd. Poweradd's nice. It's kind of heavy because it's a big battery pack. But the Anker I really like. In direct sunlight, this Anker, it's got 4 panels on it. There's some debris on it, leaves and stuff from when I was out. It has 2 outlets in here. When you open this pocket here, you can see right here, USB outlets here, 2 of them. So you plug all your USB devices in there. You'll hear the chime saying your device is charging as long as it's direct sunlight. In direct sunlight, right now it's a really cloudy day outside, and this is still producing power. You're not going to charge an iPad in 4 or 5 hours in this kind of sunlight. The time of the day and the time of the year, definitely you get more. In the midsummer at noon, you're going to get way more voltage out of this than you're going to get at 4 o'clock in the afternoon in springtime. But with that said, the iPad 2, if I plugged it in a fairly sunny day in May in the state of Maine, when it's not that great of sun, this thing will charge my iPad. I plug it in at about 10:30 in the morning, and by 4 o'clock it's at about 95–100%. So that's pretty good. When you're in the bush, that's really good, because then you have your iPad to use all night. I was hoping that this Poweradd was going to charge my iPad better, but I've left it plugged in to the iPad for hours and hours, and it's only gone up a couple percent there. So I would say, if you're carrying an iPad, I wouldn't carry this whole thing. I carry that for cell phones, because when your cell phone dies randomly, you plug it into that Poweradd and it's charging, and it's about the size of your cell phone. You can put it in your purse or wallet, or not wallet, pocket, and works pretty good. I did also want to add here that this Poweradd here comes with a little LED light here. You hold the button down and then eventually it comes on. There it is, it's on. Alright. The thing is this has happened to me, is if it's held down, the reason why they made you hold it down for so long is so it doesn't just easily get pushed. But still, sometimes when it's in your backpack, it's being held down for a long time and the light comes on. And then you get it out of your backpack and it's been on your entire day and half your battery pack's gone from that light running. Which you wouldn't think that that light would take so much energy because it's just a little LED, but for some reason it does. And yeah, that's something that can definitely make you angry. This Anker, I think, is a must-buy, though. I think if you travel a lot out in the woods and you use your stuff, if you are car camping or just camping in general, this is the best way. You have 2 cell phones plugged into this midday. You can slowly charge all of your family's cell phones when on a camping trip. I definitely would depend on this solely for my electricity, and I have. So I'd say if you're thinking about buying something, definitely go out and buy this Anker. It's $69.99 on Amazon, and that's where I got it. Comes with free shipping. Take about 5 to 8 days to get it that way, or you have your Prime account, you will get it in 2 days, which that's a good deal. The Poweradd, about $45. You can get the free shipping too. I got it on Amazon. It's a good deal. I'd say it works pretty good if you have a big iPhone and it's constantly dying because it's older and you have battery problems, then this is a great thing to own. But I don't think you really need to buy the one with a solar panel on it. They make a 24,000 amp hours or whatever that is, and that'll charge your phone like 7-8 times, way more than this thing will, and it's half the size. It's an ultra dense battery. I would go to Amazon.com right now and check that out if you're looking for a battery pack. A Poweradd I think it's a 24,000 or 22,000. That's what you're looking for, and that would go really well with the Anker. I don't know how long the Anker would take to charge it up, probably a week. But once you have it charged, that's a lot of power, and they're pretty small. So there's my review. Uncle Dave signing off. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. I hope it's informative, and this is I hope it answered all the questions that you guys might have about these products. I know these are 2 products that should be used and don't have very many reviews on YouTube right now. So rate, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.